You can remember immediately Krishna, God. Oh, God is so powerful that in this Pacific Ocean is abiding the order, obeying the order of Krishna. In this way you can think of Krishna, that is Krishna consciousness. That is Krishna consciousness. You see the sunrise, immediately you can remember Krishna. If you have read Bhagavad Gita, it is stated there, Prabhasmi Shashisujaya. I am the shining of the sun, I am the shining of the moon. So, if you have learned how to see Krishna, you can see in the sunshine Krishna. You have not created the sunshine, you have not created the sun, you so-called scientists. You can talk all jugglery of words only, but it is beyond your capacity to know what is the sun. It is beyond your capacity. You cannot know. But you can know. Shastra Jonityad, Vedanta Sutra says, through the Shastra. Just like in the Brahma Samhita, about the sun, it is stated, Jachakshuri Sasavita Sagalagrahanang Raja Samasta Suramurti Asi Sutija Jasagvaya Brahmati Sanghritha Kala Chakro Govindamadi Purusam Tamahang Bhajami. Now we study this Vedic literature. What is the sun? The sun is described as the eyes of all the planets. Now you think about it, meditate. Yes, it is a fact. Because unless there is sunrise, then you cannot see at night. That's not possible. And what is the sun? Sun is the eyes of the Lord. This is moon is one eye and the sun is one eye. And in the Upanishad it is said, when Krishna sees, then you can see. When Krishna sees, so Krishna is seeing with his eyes the sun, then you can see. This is fact. You cannot see anything if Krishna does not see. So you think about the sun. Then what is the sun? It is the king of all planets. Raja. Raja means king. Samasta Suramurti. And what is the nature? Asesa Teja. Unlimitedly hot. Unlimited. Asesa Teja. Then what is his function? Jasagya Brahmati Sanghritha Kala Chakro. Sun has got his orbit. So God has ordered that you just travel within this orbit. Not here, not there. The scientist says that if the sun is moved a little this side, the whole universe will be ablaze, and if it moves this side, the whole universe will be frozen. But by the order of the Supreme, it is neither going even 1/10,000th part of an inch this side or this side. Exactly in the line. Exactly in the time, fixed time, at 5:30, it must rise. So there must be some discipline, there must be some obedience, there is some order. In this way, the Shastra says, Jasagvaya Brahmati Sanghritha Kala Chakro, by whose order the sun is moving in the orbit, Govindamadi Purusam Tamahang Bhajami. I worship that original person who is giving direction even to the sun, even to the ocean, even to the moon. Everything is going on under his order. So where is the difficulty to understand God? There is no difficulty. If actually one is sane man, if he has got some brain substance, not stool substance, then he can understand God in every state, every state. Every state. Rasoham apsukamanteya prabhasmi shasisuja sabdakhe. Everything is explained there. Why they speak lies that I have not seen God? Why don't you see God as God directs you to see? Why do you manufacture your own way? You cannot see God by your own way. That is not possible. Then you will remain always blind. That is happening at the present moment. The so-called philosophers and scientists, they are trying to see God in their own way. And it is being supported by rascals that you can find out in your own way to see God. That is not possible. You cannot see God in your own way. You have to see God by God's way. Then you can see. It is not possible to see God in your what you are. Just like if I want to see President Nixon, can I see in my own way? Then how you can expect to see God in your own way? This is not rascaldom. I cannot see even an ordinary man in big position in my own way. I have to apply, I have to take the sanction of the secretary, appoint some time, and so on, so on. And I am expecting to see God in my own way. And these rascals are supporting this view that you can see God in your own way. As many ways you can invent, they are all bona fide. This is rascalism. So, the world is full of rascals and fools. Therefore, God consciousness, Krishna consciousness has become a fake idea. Otherwise, if one wants to see God, as Kunti Devi is requesting, that you remain always, one can keep God always within his heart. He is always there. Therefore, we have to apply, as it was done by Maharaj Ambari, Savai mana Krishna padaravinday, Bachangsi vaikuntha gunanuvarnane. We can use our senses in Krishna consciousness. First thing is that we have to fix up our mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. Then mind is the center of all sensual activities. If your mind is absent, in spite of having your eyes you cannot see, in spite of having your ears you cannot hear. Therefore, mind is considered the 11th sense. There are 10 senses, 5 working and 5 knowledge acquiring. And the mind is the center. So, Indriyani Pararahu, everything is there in the Bhagavad Gita. Indriyani Pararahu, Indriyabha Param Manaha. Krishna is explaining that we take these senses as very prominent. But beyond these senses, there is another superior thing, there is mind. Beyond this mind, there is intelligence. And beyond this intelligence, there is soul. So how they can appreciate existence of soul if they cannot understand the psychological movement of the mind? Behind that mind there is intelligence. Utmost they can approach to the intellectual platform. But one has to go beyond the intellectual platform to understand what is soul or what is God. Otherwise it is not possible. So, everything is there, but we have to understand through the right channel. Therefore Vedic information is tad vijnanartham sa gurumeva avigacchit samitpani srutriyam brahmanishtam. This is Vedic injunction. That if you actually serious about understanding that supernatural, transcendental subject matter, You must approach a bona fide spiritual master. Thank you very much.